Okay, Mick, this is for you. I'm going to do a analysis of the country of Austria, COVID-19 analysis for the country of Austria. Okay, and this is for you. I'm going to do both a daily analysis and I'm also going to do a COVID-19 vaccine rollout analysis. Okay. Oh, I got some. No. Let's do this. Let's say, where's index? Index. Pneumonia deaths. Okay. Okay. I just copied the files over from the U.S. numbers. So we'll come over here. Okay. Okay. So now let's just come up here, Mick, and run your first report. All right. Change the time frame here. So let's see how Austria's COVID-19 situation is. Okay, so here we go. Currently, Austria's had 491,000 cases, 8,056 deaths. You can see your mortality rate is very flat. Well, this is 10%. And so this would be about 5%. Let's say on average below 5%. you had a single spike in late December, October, and it fell down to here. But now it looks like cases are starting to trend back up. The good news is deaths are continuing to decline. Now, if you look over here, you can see that you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 weeks decline in cases, but you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks now of cases have been increasing. Now, if you take a look here, look at this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 weeks in a row now. Your deaths have been declining. Take a look at your weekly cases, at your weekly or at your monthly deaths. You can see you have a declining pattern now for 3 weeks, 3 months in a row when the case declined, and 2 months in a row when your deaths declined. Okay, so that's very good news for overall for Austria's COVID-19 efforts. So now let's come down here. Let's take a look at the COVID-19. Let's look at the COVID-19 rollout program for Austria. Hopefully, these numbers are being updated. Now let's take a look at the. We have to change this up. Austria. Okay, so let's take a look now. Let's make sure we change this up here to Austria. So now let's run the rollout program for Austria. Okay, so what you can see here, so far Austria has issued 981,056 doses of vaccine. Now, if we look over here, you see that you've at 713,955 people have received at least one dose. And over here, 267,000 plus have received both doses. Now, if we look at this over here, that means about 7.9% of the population has received at least one shot, and 2.9% of the population has received both vaccinations. Now, one source I read, Mick, it says that in order for the vaccine to start to have effect, you have to be close to 50% of the people have to be fully vaccinated. So Austria has quite a ways to go yet, as does the U.S. So anyway, just a couple pieces of information. One more thing about this code. I use the same code over and over again for different countries. And that's the lesson for you, okay? You can use the same code over and over again by changing the input file name, by changing the variable names in the code, okay? Once you learn the basic stuff, you'll be doing a lot of the same things over and over again, all right? That's the message for you with this code today, all right? So anyway, I'm going to conclude this code right now, and then I'll upload it to our site. So that takes care of your bonus video today, Mick. Thanks for all your comments, encouragement to me, by the way.